Grabe, alam mo na kung nakita mo rin ba yung comments ng tao noon dun sa
Well,
kasi
sabi sa akin
Samuel.
ng PR team na marami naman natuwa dun sa pagbisita ni Samuel Trinidad sa
Correct.
sa Eid Bulaga. And no, you know, I requested that talaga, yung sugod bahay talaga. Kasi I wanted to be near the people. Gusto ko sila makasama sa mga barangay-barangay. Gusto ko pumasok sa bahay nila. Siyempre, matagal na natin pinapanood yung ganang segment. And then, siyempre, nakakausap pa natin si Julia na nasa studio. And she's having so much fun as a guest host.
Yes.
As a host. So, wala lang. Katuwaan lang.
Yeah, but you've always been near the people, talaga. You're where the action is at.
Well, yun naman ang important. I like I said, like nung na-cover niyo about yung nag-trending pa about swimming sa baha, ganun. It's always something bakit nag-trending yan? It's just something natural na you should do. Anyways, but yeah, so I requested na I wanted to do that talaga. Gusto ko ma-experience yan.
Shucks.
Thank
Pero
you.
sana bumalik ka sa sugod bahay mga kapatid. Si Samuel.
Pag in-invite niyo ulit si Samuel Trinidad, babalik siya.
Oh! Thank you so
you.
much. Thank you so much. Guys, thank you.
Salamat.
Thank you.